Today I'm going to show you how to make a pulley pennel rig. It's one of the simplest rigs you can use, and I use it so often for so many different species. It's a great long range rig, great for targeting rays, smoothhound, cod, bass, any of the big species basically. And as I said, it's a very simple rig. The main rig body is going to be £50 line. I'm going to attach that via a clip to a breakaway impact lead, but you can use any breakaway device you want, but I would suggest that you use some sort of clip with this so it releases properly and it casts properly. I'm using a couple of size 4/0 Sakuma Manta hooks, amnesia £30, a running swivel and a barrel swivel. That's all I'm going to need for this rig. So let's go ahead and connect my main rig body to my clip, and I'm just doing a uni knot here, or my version of a uni knot. If you don't know how to do that, I'll make a video of that and stick it up so you can all see how easy it is to do. It's a very secure knot as well. Always wet your knots. And then just pull it up and always clip off and leave as minimal a tag size as you can. Okay. So it's important that we make the main rig body, the £50 line, the longer part of the rig, because this is the part that's going to actually take the stress of casting. If you use a longer piece of hook length, what will happen is that'll take all the stress, and if that breaks, then you're going to end up with a problem. So on here we're just going to slide the sliding swivel and then attach another swivel onto the other end of the main rig body. Okay, so that's our main rig body, and what we're going to do is take £30 amnesia, tie that to the swivel, okay, so now we need to make sure that that is shorter in length than the rig body. So I generally do it around about the length to just below the clip, cut it, because when we put the hook on, the amount that we tie up will take up the difference between the hook and the hook length. So first put on your pennel hook and then the main hook that you're going to attach to your line. And then just knot that. Just double check that the length is shorter. Okay, so now I've made the rig up, I'll just clip it to a breakaway lead, and then if I was setting this up with bait, I would slide the hook up to however far up the line I wanted it, take a couple of turns round it, and that's now locked into position. So you can move that up and down depending on the size of your bait. And just take it, clip it on the little clip on the breakaway or your line clip, and there you go. You're really simple to make and quick to make rig that you can make as long or as short as possible, and it's easy to make it on the beach as it is in your workshop. So if you like, please give us a thumbs up, share, subscribe to us, and look forward to some more videos. Thanks a lot.